Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn about this big circle. Whenever you are recording your screen or doing any tutorial on internet and you need to show your face cam instead of any landscape 16:9 ratio webcam, you can make it circular webcam like this and like this. Okay, let's begin. Don't talk too much and let's learn how to do that. I'm gonna remove this one first of all to show you from the scratch. So here is my screen. There is nothing, and everything would be in the description. The link to download this picture and this plugin would be in the description. You just go there and it will be in the pin comment as well, so you can easily go there and download. Just go to plus icon first of all, and here you need to go for video capture device, and in my case I'm writing it webcam. Hit OK, and now you just choose from the HD face cam. I'm using Mac OS, so my screen will look like this one, and that's it. No problem. Just you can choose the high resolution as well, and whatever device you have. No matter it's an external camera, it will work with external camera as well. Now my face cam is right here. I'm looking in the monitor. Just go to this webcam and go to filter, and in the filter section you will see under effect section there is a plus button, and here you will see image mask blend, and hit OK. And now you need to browse a picture, this picture. Paste the link in the description, you can download. And you can also create this kind of picture in PPT as well, PowerPoint. Open this one, and now you see that there is a black screen in front of my face. So what you can do, just go to alpha mask and alpha channel. Now you are in a perfect circle. Hit OK, this one close. And now just go to plus icon to make it more stylish. Import a picture. And that's the picture here. I will browse, and this picture you can also download with the package here. It's completely free. You will see that picture display is too small, but the sides are too big. Just hold option button on your Mac and control button or alt button on your PC and make it smaller. The borders are now small, and now hold command button and make it bigger up to the circle you want. I want like this one. And this is perfect now. But what if you want to, sometimes you do some settings and it goes here and there, so you just need to be fixed at one place. So let's do it. Click on image, and now click on the Mac OS webcam we created, and now right click on this one and go to select group items and rename it as webcam. Right, so now if I just grab this one anywhere, it's not gonna disturb your settings, and place it anywhere. If you want to place it anywhere, you can place it on your screen. And in the meantime, you can create a new scene to make it bigger like this one, so that you can switch between the scenes with the help of hotkeys. And scene 1 would be your normal cam, and scene you can create a new scene, and scene 2 would be your with the bigger cam. Whenever you are recording your screen, you can deal with this like cam 1 and cam 2 things. Let's record a window and see how it looks like. I just minimize this one, open this one, and go to my downloads and my photos or something, and let's see how it works. And if I can just like open Safari, right? So this is how I'm looking there. And that's it, guys. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. If there is any question, any suggestion, write in the comments, and see the next video here or here in the end screens. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.